Hello everyone, let's revise chapter 7 of geography, our country India. So my humble request to all of you, first turn on your camera and draw a rough picture of India map in your notebook, everyone, as I draw on blackboard. Everyone. So with the help of this map, which you are drawing on your notebook, so let's understand the physical feature of India. So here you can see the physical division of India. So I hope everyone has drawn the map on notebook. Show your digital thumb, everyone. Okay, so the first you can see the India has marked the diversity of physical feature. Yes, the India is a land of peninsula, plain, plateau, island, okay, coastal area and mountain. So let's talk about mountain. The Himalaya. What is the meaning? Where it is located? Himalaya is in north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him means snow, Ale means abode means the land of snow. And the Himalaya mountain are divided into how many range? Into 3 parallel range. The first range, the northmost, means uppermost layer of Himalaya known as Himadri, Great Himalaya. Second range, the world highest peak, Mount Everest, lies located in this range, Great Himalaya or Himadri range. The middle Himalaya means Himachal, the south of Himadri, and the third, also known as the foothill of Himalaya, Shivalik range, which is the southmost range. Also, or the all very popular hill station located in this Himachal range. Okay. Now, so first you draw or locate this Himalaya 3 parallel range or Himalaya on your map, which map you have drawn in your notebook right now, everyone. Now what comes after Himalaya, which lies in the south of Himalaya? That is northern Indian plain. It is generally flat, level land, because I'm saying that it's a plain. The plain is a flat, level land, and it is a fertile land. Okay, because these are formed by alluvial deposit. Alluvial deposit kahan se aata hai? Deposit laid down by the river. Which rivers come from mountains? Like which river? Like Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. What is alluvial soil? Alluvial soils are very fine soil bought by rivers and deposited in the river basin. Basin matlab the area drained by different many rivers. So that area known as river basin, और उसी river के नाम पे उस basin का नाम होता है. Like this area is basin, which basin? Ganga Brahmaputra basin, because Ganga and Brahmaputra with all its tributary, they drain that area. These drain this area, so that is Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Now tributary means the small river join the main river. Okay, that is tributary. The small river known as tributary. These tributary contributed its water to the main river. Okay, and the place where tributary join the main river or the one river join another river, that place known as river mouth. Fine. So this river plain is a very fertile for cultivation. So that is why this area high concentration of population, because the people get the different kind of profession over here. This land is suitable for agriculture activity and transportation easily built on this area. That is why this area is the highly populated. Now come next in the west of India. Here I said west direction. So the west of India, what is lies? The west part of India, great desert lies. Great India Desert lies. Great India Desert lies. Which desert? Thar Desert. And it is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land. And very, I'm saying it is a desert. So desert means where no vegetation, scanty rainfall. So very little vegetation over here. Now let's talk about the next part. Peninsula part. Peninsula means this part. What does it mean, peninsula? Peninsula means which is three sides surrounded by land and one side by water. You can see, isn't it? No. The peninsula means the area which is three sides surrounded by water and one side by land. So the 1, 2, 3. You can see all these three sides, this part surrounded by sea. Like here you can see Arabian Sea. The east side we have Bay of Bengal, and in the south side we have Indian Ocean. So this area, this land, three sides covered by water and one side by land. This is the land area, and here the sea, Arabian Sea. On the east of India, Bay of Bengal, and south, Indian Ocean. Okay? Okay? So it forms which direction, which shape? Triangular shape. This is Indian Peninsula. Now here we talk the Vindhyas and Satpura are the important range. Range means the line of mountains. So which the important range of Peninsula कौन सी है? Vindhyas and Satpura. Okay. Which rivers flow in this area? Narmada and Tapti flow these range, and the west flowing that drain into Arabian Sea. So the Narmada and Tapti river which flow into Arabian Sea, which flow in the west to west flowing river that drain into Arabian Sea, and the West Ghat Shyadri border plateau in the west, and East Ghat eastern boundary. Now let's talk about eastern and western Ghats. So here east side eastern Ghat lies and west side western Ghat lies. Okay. Western Ghat matlab Shyadri border. Which Ghat in the plateau in the west? Border of plateau in the west. Western Ghat almost continuous, and you can see here is the uneven. The shape you can see now. The Ghat are broken and uneven. Here you can see. Here you can see the Ghat is broken and uneven. Dekho, look at here. The Ghat is broken and uneven. If we compare with the western is plain. Fine. This here you can see Western Ghat, and here it is the east side of India, Eastern Ghat. So Western Ghat, to the west of the Western Ghat and the east of Eastern Ghat lie the coastal plain. So the western coastal plain are very narrow and eastern coastal plain are much broader. So the number of east flowing river, like which river? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, which drain into Bay of Bengal, and Narmada Tapti, which drain into Arabian Sea. And these rivers form fertile delta here, which the eastern side rivers, delta are their mouth, and they form delta, Sundarban delta form, where the Ganga Brahmaputra flow into Bay of Bengal. Let's understand through the map. You can see here which river, the Narmada and the west side, the Narmada, Tapti and Narmada, which flow into Arabian Sea. Flow into Arabian Sea. And the next, the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna or Kaveri, and these flow into Bay of Bengal. And they form delta. Here you can see the delta. So these are the Sundarban delta, where the Ganga Brahmaputra drain into, कहाँ पर flow करती है, into Bay of Bengal. I hope it is understood by all.